Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today I just got somehow my third box. It came a week early, so that came right off. Wow, they actually show all of them on this one. That's probably why it's Spyro's Adventure. So I'm going to be opening up this today. And I have Skylanders Imagineers running in the background. Chop chop on. Okay. So we got Zap. So we've got Zap, Hex, and Dino-Rang. Oh, they come out really easily. So this Zap, pretty cool. These are my first 3 Skylanders of Spyro's Adventure ever. Oh, the backs come off. Okay. That makes it easier. Okay, and here's Hex. Cool. And these are all Series 1 since they are Spyro's Adventure. I hate taking these out. So hard. Gosh. Then here's Dino-Rang. And I don't believe any of these are light core either. Hex might be light core, but like her skull might light up. But I don't think so. Here is Zap's. Oh, his sticker just comes with a little code for Zach, and then his card. Not even chipped at all. Wow, that's surprising. This is a really old pack. Oh. Okay, so it's a little bent. See, as I bent it. Hex. And then her sticker and her name right there. And her card. And then Dino-Rang up next. And this is not an old video, it's just coming out today, this day. I just got it today, so here's Dino-Rang's card with it on the back. It's not chipped or really bent at all. And here's his sticker, and here is his code thingy. Okay, for a little bit I will be playing around with these guys, and that's about it. Just a bonus for today's video. I'm going to show you all my Trap Team traps. So, I have my life one right here, and then this one came with starter pack, life also, then moving on to fire. This is my totem fire. Then with the starter pack, there is a, another kind of thing, water. And then there is, let's see, magic element, another totem. Then tech, I think, is cool. It's like a knight kind of thing. And then undead, I have all the elements except light and dark. Undead is an axe. And then earth element, like toucan sculpture. And I have one more toucan sculpture, which is air. And then for my final one that I have is the Chaos Trap. It's not the ultimate. It comes with, like, the extra style. I had to get the extra style. I do have him on here. Well, it's a regular one. And, yeah, that's about it for today's video. Thank you. I don't know why I said thank you, but if you liked and subscribed, thank you.